Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript number methods. Number methods help you work with numbers, and let's come in here and I'm gonna add in here script tag. And first let me show you what we have in this index.html. This is index.html, and here I'm gonna open Chrome DevTools and click on console. Now I'm gonna word wrap my editor. That looks perfect. Alright, now let's come in here and type, say, let x equals 1 2 3. If I console log x, hit save, we get 1 2 3. And now if I check the type of our x variable, hit save, we got number. It's a number. Now let's convert 1 2 3 into the text and hit save. This is a string now. Now if I come in here and type dot to string parenthesis and hit save, it still shows string. And now if I come in here and remove these codes and hit save, now our x is a number, but since we use toString, it converts our variable, which is number, to a string. Now we'll see, say I've got number 9.565, and let's come in here and type x dot to exponential parenthesis, hit save. And now it gives us the toExponential method returns a string with the number rounded and written using exponential notation. Or you can also give a parameter that defines the number of digits behind the decimal point. Say if I type in here 2 and hit save, it gives us only 2 digits after decimal. If I type in here 4, hit save, now it gives us 4 digits after decimal. Or if I come in here and type 6, hit save, now it gives us 6 digits after decimal. And this parameter is optional. If you do not specify it, say if I remove it and hit save, JavaScript will not round the number. Now if I come in here and you want to round it to just 1 digit after decimal, just come in here, type 1, hit save. Now we get 6 after decimal. Now let's come in here and I'm gonna delete this parameter and type in here to fixed. And let's come in here and type 0, hit save. The toFixed method rounds a number to a given number of digits. Say right now we don't have any number. Now if I type in here 1, hit save, it's rounded to 1 number. And now if I type in here 3, hit save, it rounded the number to 3 digits. Or you can type in here whatever you want to round it to. Now we have got another method, that is to precision. Hit save, and here I'm gonna first delete this number or parameter, hit save. Now we get 9.565 And now if I come in here and type here 4, hit save, this to precision helps us to return a string with a number written with a specified length. Say if I have typed here 4, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 digit numbers. And if I come in here and type 6, hit save, now we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digit number. Now let's come in here and type here, I'm gonna delete it for now. I'm gonna give it a parenthesis. Let's delete it, and within parenthesis I'm gonna type 100 plus 23 dot to value of and parenthesis. Hit save. This value of method returns a number as a number. And now if I come in here and type const y equals, and I'm gonna get rid of it from here and cut it from here, and I'm gonna paste it here, and now I'm gonna delete this from here, semicolon. Now if I come in here and console log y, hit save, we got 1, 2, 3. And if I come in here and check type of y, hit save, this is number. And you can simply come in here and type y dot value of parenthesis, hit save, we got this number and it returns as a number. Now let's talk about converting variables to numbers, and we have got 3 JavaScript methods that can be used to convert variables to numbers, and we'll go through them one by one. Let's first discuss about number. Now let's come in here and I'm gonna delete this line of code and this code from here as well. Let's clean it a bit. Now I'm gonna type in here hello world, hit save, and come in here, type x, hit save, we got hello world. And let's check the type of our x, hit save, this is a string. And now we have got a method that converts variables to numbers. Say come in here and type number parenthesis, type x, hit save, and it returns NaN. That stands for not a number. Since x is not a number, that's why we got NaN. Or if I come in here and type true, hit save, in this case we got 1. And if I come in here and type false, hit save, we got 0. And if I come in here and type say under quotes 10, hit save, we got 10. Or if I come in here and type 10, hit save, we got not a number, because this is not a number to be converted. Now let's come in here and type new date object, and it receives some arguments. Here I'm gonna type say year 1980, and 0101. Now if we convert this date to number, hit save, we got this number, and this number represents milliseconds since 1/1/1970. Now let's talk about, say, I'm gonna type in here, let's say -10. Let's come in here and type %, and here I'm gonna give an argument of x, hit save, we got -10. Parse's actually a global JavaScript function that converts strings to numbers, and if I type in here 10 years, hit save, we got 10. If I type in here 10 years, we got not a number. Now we have got another method, that is Parse Float, and this method converts a string to numbers. Now if I type in here, or let's hit save, we got not a number, and if I come in here and type 10, hit save, we got 10. Or if I type in here 10.66, hit save, we got the number. Now let's come in here and delete this line of code from here, and I'm gonna type in here an expression, say number dot max value, and hit save, and we got, let me maximize it, we got this number. Max value, which is here the property of number constructor, actually returns the largest possible number in JavaScript. And as far as this number is concerned, this is a primitive wrapper object used to represent and manipulate numbers, and we have got various properties with this object. Let me give you another property, say minimum value, hit save, and this is the minimum value in JavaScript. You can also get positive infinity, hit save, or negative infinity. You can also get not a number, but you cannot use number properties on variables. Say if you have got const x equals 10, and I'm gonna type in here, say x dot max underscore, or let's make it uppercase, max underscore value, hit save, we got undefined. And Visual Studio Code is also very intelligent to handle such type of issues. That's why it did not show us any suggestions pop-up window. And that was all about number methods. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.